Hi, I've just finished a bit more of my Stuka. I fitted the cockpit in, that's complete with the seats and the instrument panel. I've put the two halves of the fuselage on, went together very good. As you can see, there's just a few more gaps got to be filled, not that many. The underneath where the wings will go on, that went together very good, and just hopefully the wings will fit on. There's a clear part here because the pilot will be sitting here, and clear part will be on here, which I will put on once I've finished painting. Don't know if you can see, but I think this is the blue that will be going underneath it. As you can see, I haven't glued this piece on yet, but it's actually a very good fit. As I say, it's a large kit to make, so you do need some space. I've actually got the boxes with the sprues on the floor because there's not enough room on my bench to continue with this. As you can see by the size of the wings, gives you an idea of the size of the kit. Just a matter of knowing once it's completed where I can put it. And with the canopy, they give you two choices, which I didn't notice before. So you can actually have it open, and they also give you if you want it closed. The other thing I noticed on the wings is the detail. These are actually not rivets, they're screws, slotted screws rather than rivets, so shows you that they did go to quite a bit of detail for the kit. And with the rudder, they give you two choices. So there's this one, two halves, or the one I actually used was this one, which is more square on top. So I don't know which one was actually used the most, and what year did they change from square to round or round to square. And the nose of the aircraft looks like it fits on quite well, and that's where the clear part will go. So it's very nice so far. So I'd like to know if anyone else has finished this kit. That's the item number. So it's by Trumpeter, and I shall get on with it. Well, thank you for watching.